Have you ever walked into a store and left without buying anything, feeling suspicious? It's a more common situation than you might think, causing discomfort for many. The good news is there are ways you can exit a store without buying anything and without looking suspicious. We'll share them with you. First, act normally. You've done nothing wrong. It's essential to maintain a natural demeanor. Imagine you're simply strolling through a park or visiting a friend. There's no need to rush or appear nervous, as this can draw unwanted attention. Instead, maintain a calm demeanor and walk at a normal pace. Just as you wouldn't run in a leisurely park, there's no need to rush here. Remember, you're just a customer. Staying relaxed and confident can go a long way in avoiding suspicion. Another thing to keep in mind is avoiding excessive eye rolling or constantly checking your surroundings. These actions can often be perceived as signs of nervousness or guilt. Instead, focus on the products, maybe even admire the store layout. Think of it as a browsing session where you're taking in all the sights and sounds, rather than a mission to get out as quickly as possible. Remember, acting calm and confident is the key. You're just a customer, not a shoplifter. Now let's talk about the exit strategy. Leaving a store without a purchase doesn't have to be a covert operation. Go through the main entrance the same way you came in. If a staff member acknowledges you, respond with a polite smile. Avoid sudden or rushed movements, as these can raise eyebrows. It's also a good idea to leave the oversized bags and clothing at home, as they can draw unwanted attention. Exiting the store with grace and confidence makes all the difference. In summary, leaving a store without buying anything doesn't have to be an awkward experience. Remember, act normal, avoid actions like excessive eye rolling, and exit confidently. With these tips, you can shop stress-free even when you leave empty-handed. You're not doing anything wrong, and you have every right to just browse.